All right, hey everyone. Trying a new thing here. Let's see if it works. All right, so since we are asynchronous today, and just so you know, I am out. I do not have to be at work today. I took a personal day because I went to see the United States women's national team play in a soccer match last night, and it was amazing. I'm assuming, since I'm recording this in advance. Take a look at your screen, please. If you happen to be watching this with your parents, this is not new information to you, but it might be to them. This is your Schoology page. I'm going to ask you to take a look at your grades. I'm not going to click on this because I don't want everyone to see this young lady's grades, but if you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your grades for each of the criteria. As well, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an overall percentage score. Once you do that, come back to the materials page. If you are missing anything, there's a couple simple ways you can do it. Quarter one materials, if you click on this is everything that we have done. So if you're missing anything, it can be found here. Also, if you had clicked on that grades tab and you see any sort of orange octagon shaped thing, that means it's missing. You can click on the assignment straight from there as well. So I encourage you today, even if you're not watching this with a parent, that during your PE time today, you are catching up on any missing work that may affect your grade so far this quarter. And if you do that, I will get it graded and sent back to you as soon as I return to school on Thursday. If you are caught up, that is great. I'm very proud of you and happy that you've kept pace with everything we've done. Your summative assessment materials, that rubric is in this folder. So if anyone's curious at home what they've been participating in, first of all, they can tell you. Second of all, this is the grading rubric for that, showing these 3 skills right here, and then just varying levels of what I see as a teacher on how they do it, and I will give them a score from 1 to 8. If you are completed with everything and you'd like something to do, I'm going to drop a few links on the Schoology page. They're not there yet, but they will be. I'm going to drop a few links on the Schoology page so you can see some variety of things that we've been doing in PYP classes. And I'll drop my YouTube page in there as well so you can peruse that as you'd like. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you back in class next week.